So yeah, that's what I'd learnt from Texas Flood so far. As you can see there, I did learn quite a bit more than last time, and the thing that I struggled mainly with that song was kind of remembering all the licks. Like, all the licks are very, very similar, and it's kind of confusing to like remember each specific lick. So, like, I'll give you a quick example. So you got. The licks are very similar and kind of like so you've got. So that this lick here. It's not that similar to the intro lick, but I kind of got confused a few times because the intro lick goes. And this one goes. So it starts off the same way, with that little bend. So to do that, I just had to remember both of them. I just had to kind of distinguish the difference. So a couple of times when I play the song with the track, I do the intro riff twice. So instead of doing this riff when I was supposed to do this riff in the verse, I would go. So yeah, I got a bit muddled up there. So to distinguish the difference between them two licks, I just had to literally play them side by side and say to myself, right, this lick is for the intro lick, this lick is for the verse. It's kind of stupid, but I was actually getting quite confused with the two licks because they are quite similar. So that was one thing that I really struggled to do with that, and that's the way I overcame it, as I've just explained. So I spent around, I spent quite a good 15 minutes on that today actually, because I learnt quite a lot, not terribly a lot, not too much, but I learnt quite a lot today of the song, and yeah, I'm just trying to think what else I struggled with. Yeah, the other thing that I struggled with today was because for long periods of time I would literally not listen to the track and just read the tabs. I would often like go out of time and kind of play the wrong notes at the wrong times. So to solve that problem, I just said to myself, right, I need to make sure that I practice the licks, but only for a few seconds and a few times. Then I would go back and listen to the track, because looking at the tab, I would play the notes. The notes I was playing were correct, but they weren't at the right timings, and you know. So to correct that, I just kept listening to the songs over and over again after practicing them a few times. So today I progressed from this, I think I was, just give me a second to find out where I I think I did from this bar here to this bar here. No, this bar here. You can see it. So fourth bar there, beginning of the page. Closer look, sorry. So this bar here at the bottom to, I think it was this bar here. Second from last bar. So from there to there. So I made a good progression today, which I was happy with. So I gave that a good go for about 15 minutes, 20 minutes. 15 minutes, sorry. So that was my practice diary for today.